Good morning. Today we are headed to the waterfalls. I don't know how to pronounce the Thai name for them, but I know people call them like the Sticky Waterfalls because it's like white, like limestone that make it like easy to grip so you can like crawl up. I think we're heading out in about 5 minutes, so I gotta go, but I'm gonna take you along with me. We're trying to squish as many people as possible into the sunset so we can get cheaper to the waterfalls.
Steph?
Sorry, official camera's coming through. Sorry. Sorry.
Shut up, Steph.
On car. Okay, we can't fit 5. No, no, easy. Lay down. Bonnie, alright, you're in the middle there?
Well, here?
Yeah, in the middle, just lie down.
I'm going in the front. One more person.
Hey, yeah, we're gonna split up between 2. There's no way we can fit in there. Yeah.
No, because you can fit people in the front.
No, we can't fit 6 people in the front.
1, 2, 3, 4. You can sit 4 people in the front.
Oh shit, we're nearly there.
1, 2, 3, 4.
5.
One more person can sit right here.
I'm holding, I'm smiling, she leaving, she going, she leaves for me. Says she leaves for me, ovation. Oh, I'm motivation. She comes round and she comes round to me, and I make it smile, it's like a drug for you. Feel ever what you wanna do, I'm coming over you. Keep on smiling, what we go through. One stop to the rhythm that divides you, and I speak to you like the chorus to the birds. Said none of
Oh fuck, I'm slipping like shit. Vlogging and walking is not good.
I want something else to get me through this. Semi-charm kind of life, baby, baby. I want something else. I'm not listening when you say goodbye. I would take a tip, slap it to my nose, and I wish I could get back there, someplace back there, smiling in the pictures you would take. Stop to the rhythm that you up until you break, it won't stop. I won't come down and keep stop with the tick-tock rhythm. I bump all the drop and then I bumped up. I took the hit that I was giving, then I bumped again, then I bumped again. I said, how do I get back there to the place where I fell asleep inside you? How do I get myself back to the place where you said I want something else to get me through this semi-charm kind of life, baby.
Finished up at the waterfalls. Now we're hiking back up stairs. I'm dying. They're like a really awkward length apart from each other, so you're not taking even steps. How are them stairs?
It's hard, man. It's hard. I'm tired.
I get myself back to the place where you said I want something else to get me through this semi-charm kind of life.
We made it! I don't know where everyone else is. Probably sitting sulking because we took so long.
See the old dog? I've seen some things.
Yeah, look at the way he's walking.
Oh no. You waiting for us?
No, not at all.
Yeah, nah.
Really? No, you didn't.
Yeah, like an hour ago.
I believe in the sand beneath my toes. The beach gives a feeling, an earthy feeling. I believe in the faith that grows, and the bow I coast can make me cry. When I'm with you I feel like I could die, and that would be alright, alright. And I want.
What's your name?
Mr. Bank, B-A-N-K.
B-A-N-K. Bank. Ah. So tired. So we just made it back from the waterfalls. Yeah, it was amazing. It was so nice to like go out and do something kind of different and like just see outside of Chiang Mai a little bit. Yeah, it was beautiful. Like it was kind of similar to Pamukkale in Turkey. It's really neat. This was a bit different. Like Pamukkale is like white. This is like an icky brown color, but it was still like, it was cool. Anyway, I'm just gonna chill out for a few minutes and then head out to dinner.
And I want something else to get me through this.
Food is
it's got no turn dial.
pad thai.
Baby, I something else not listed when you say, hey, goodbye, goodbye.
She's lost her hand.
Flippy! So they made a movie on his run. Oh yes.
Oh my god. Is it
Oh my god. Is it a doco? It was made in 2013.
Listen up, listen up.
Young was a vegetarian from 1973 until his death. Yes!
Vegan chocolate chip cookies.
So good. I know how much money they're left. Clean already.
Got a second one.
I don't know.
So we're just back from dinner. There's a plane flying over. Yeah. Check this out. You also have to check it out over here. It's like the clearest night and the best cloud formations we've had. Pretty good lighting.
That white wall aesthetic in the background.
Like it is. And then this, it just makes you glow a little. Yeah, it's good.
That's good.
Christian, look at that.
Wow.
Yeah, it's really good. My mom thought I'd grow out of it, but I didn't. Like, just
I think it's like,
neck fat.
yeah, it's a genetic thing. Some people have it, some people don't, you know?
Let's see yours.
That was rough.
It was rough, but first take it was good.
Girl.